Hello, Kelvin. After watching Post House, how does it feel? Kamusta? Any reaction?
In-elaborate kasi dito anong klase yung pwedeng mangyari kapag merong trauma ng isang tao. So, hindi naman siya sobrang dragging, pero meron siyang effect. Kaya siguro siya R16, kailangan pa rin ng guide ng mga nakatatanda sa atin. And kadalasan tayo rin yung gumagawa ng mga takot sa sarili natin. Kaya dapat planuhin, isipin mabuti kung talaga nga bang worth it yung mga trauma na panghawakan or kailangan siyang pag-aralan para makapag-move on and let go na.
Nakarelate ka ba doon? May scene ba doon na
Actually, relatable naman yung mismo pelikula kasi lahat naman tayo may kanya-kanyang fear, meron tayong kanya-kanyang bad experience, ika nga nila, na nagiging trauma natin yun. So, yung Post House para sa akin is maganda siyang panoorin. Kailangan lang ng may guide para sa mga 16 years old and above.
Yes. Ang dami mo ng mga naging pelikula, usually love story and all. Na-try mo na bang magkaroon ng horror film or may offer na ba?
Wala pa actually horror film na nagagawa, pero
hopefully
magkaroon tayo ng pelikula with Direct Nicolas Red or Nicolas Red, diba? So parang magkapatid sila, very familiar ako sa kanila, kaya kilala ko rin yung gawa nila.
Nabigla nga ako You're Here.
Yes,
nakita ko rin yung name.
Invite sila, so that's why. Siyempre, debut film ni Nicolas Red, hindi ako pwede mawala. Kasi sila rin yung reason bakit ako naging si Kelvin Miranda, because of the Dead Kids.
Okay, nga pala yun. Galing kang Davao kagabi?
Yes,
Kamusta naman experience doon?
Masaya, and sobrang warm nung pagtanggap ng mga tao sa Davao. Talagang ramdam naman yung suporta nila sa Encantadia. Hanggang ngayon, grabe. Kaya nakakataba ng puso at lubos kami ni Papa sa
speaking of Encantadia, ang taas ng rating.
Yes,
medyo natatalo nyo na yung kalaban.
Grabe naman.
Kamusta yun? Yung parang trending pa rin, million views yung YouTube and all. Tapos, ang taas ng rating.
Thankful kami and grateful, syempre. Sa pagsuporta ng mga Encantadix at mga netizens natin, talagang tinatangkilik pa rin nila. Sana tuloy-tuloy and huwag po silang mag-alala kasi marami pang pasabog at mga revelations na magaganap, kaya tutok lang sila sa panood ng Encantadix.
Yung mga SB19 fan, naghihintay na kung kailan nga ba papasok yung isang member doon.
Ayun, ang kailangan nilang abangan kasi maganda ayoko magsalita ng sobra, pero maganda yung makikita nila doon.
Ayun. Kakampi ba siya or
hindi natin alam, pwedeng kalaban, pwedeng kakampi. So malalaman natin ang mga nila.
Naka-eksena mo ba siya?
Oo, talaga.
Kamusta siya?
He's a very good actor. First time niya pero magaling. Nakikinig and passionate So walang kayang gawin. Walang hindi kayang gawin ng taong passionate and devoted sa ginagawa niya.
Looking forward to that scene
Looking forward.
Ako
rin much excited din ako dun sa scene yun.
Yes.
Hi, good evening po sa inyong lahat, our family and friends. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta dito. First time natin mapapanood lahat yung Post House. Sana po magustuhan ninyo and we'll ask for your help sa pag-promote ang Post House. August 20 na po mapapanood. Of course, you're with the Nikos at sa inyo ng Nico Films and Nico Studios.
Hey guys, see you August 20.
So, Sid, kakaiba na Sid ba? Ikaw, mix siya. Dito? Okay, but please remind everybody, why should they watch Post House? In your view, in your point of view?
Because it's a really good film, embarrassing. Watch it.
Yeah? Because Sid's there. And it's a really good film. So, sana po panoorin ninyo, bring your family and friends. Pero R16, so yung mga 16 and above. Thank you! Okay, maraming salamat po. Are we good
I am Phoebe Walker and I am your host for tonight. Welcome to the red carpet premiere of Post House, of course, one of the most anticipated horror films of the year. Thank you so much for gracing us with your presence tonight. And ito na po, finally, mapapanood na natin ang Post House. I see a lot of familiar faces. Hello, hello. Okay, from the maker of Deleter and Lilim, presented to you by Viva Film Studio, Viva and Evolve Studios, starring the multi-awarded Sid Lucero and Bea Binene, also starring Riza Senon, Rafa Sigion Reyna, Carlos Sigion Reyna, and more. This film is written and directed by Nicolas Red. Sa tulong ng isang powerhouse ensemble sa harap at likod ng camera, humanda na sa isang katatakutang hindi mo malilimutan. Post House, ladies and gentlemen, that is showing August 20 in cinemas nationwide. Siyempre, nais nating pasalamatan ng ating mga sponsors ngayong gabi. Thank you to Gateway Mall, Araneta City, and Gateway Mall Cineplex. At ang ating official partners, yan ang PBO, Sari Sari, TMC, Viva Cinema, CMP, Halo Halo Radio, Boteju, Paper Moon, Wig Zone, Yogurino, Greyhound Cafe, Viva Cafe, Maple Tree House, at Du Xiao Ye. Maraming salamat po to everybody who came here tonight. We know you could be anywhere else in the world right now, but you came here. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Again, Post House is rated R16 by the MTRCB, so when you do watch this in cinemas, make sure above 16 po ang inyong makasama. Okay, here we go. Ready na ba ang ating cast and director? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin, of course, Sid Lucero, Bea Binene. We have Riza Senon, Rafa Sigion Reyna, and of course, making his directorial debut tonight, we have Direct Nicolas Red. Okay, so let's have a group photo. And of course, we have Direct Carl.
Direct Nicolas Red in cinemas August 20. Great. I love this guy. I love all of them. They're so good. First time working with my dad as actors in a film. So it's a very exciting evening. Thank you so much for being here. Maraming salamat. Please support our film and spread the word.
Thank you so much. Okay, we'll move on to here naman. Sir Rob, go.
Thank you so much for coming out tonight. Thanks for the support. And thank you for coming to watch a movie in the cinema. That's so important that we continue to keep this alive, this communal tradition, because this is what film is all about.
Thank you very much, Viva Films, and thank you, Director Nicolas Red, and sa lahat ng cast at saka ng creative team ng Post House. I think you will look forward to hearing reactions from you on this amazing psycho horror film. It looks great. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, Riza.
Yan, good evening po sa inyo lahat and maraming salamat sa pagsuporta po at nandito kayo para panoorin ng Post House at sana mag-enjoy kayo at tulungan niyo po kami na spread sa social media at i-invite din po ang ibang nating mga followers ninyo at mga friends and family ninyo. And yun, ngayon pa lang congratulations sa Team Post House.
Again, thank you so much for taking the time to come out and watch a movie because I know personally how hard it is to get out of the house. You know, you'd rather watch there, but really, thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat din sa Evolve Studios at Viva Films for giving us the opportunity to work together for this film. Maraming salamat po. Sa kina Iana, kina Direk, maraming salamat for making the shooting such a breeze. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, family and friends, for coming here.